Hey guys, welcome to OzzyAwesome. This is Oz. We're in the part 3 of our video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your video and also show you the special trick that I use when I upload videos, okay? So let's get started. Alright, so we created the thumbnail using Canva. We created the video also using Canva. You guys can use the iMovie and the YouTube audio version. I use the suno.ai and the Canva version. Why don't we work on our channel a bit more? Let's customize it a little bit more. So this is our channel. We're going to customize channel. We have the banner image and the picture, the name, the handle, our introduction, our URL. We didn't add any links. We put our contact information and we put our video mark. The next thing we want to do is we want to go to settings. Okay, general settings is for US dollar, that's fine. Channel, we want to select the country of residence. I'm going to put Canada just so YouTube knows where to find you. And this is where you want to put keywords for things that will help us for our channel. So let's go ask, I think they already put it. Let's ask, for my channel Velvet Ambiance, can you give me about 10 keywords for the channel, like calming, relaxing, music, etc. Okay, and it's going to give us 10 keywords. Okay, calming music, relaxing music, sleep music, study music, ambient music, lo-fi, soothing, stress relief, pet relaxation, blah blah blah. So we're going to put our keywords right here. Okay, save it. Okay. Okay, so we have channel, we have country, upload defaults. This is where we can put our defaults. Right now, we are not going to put title or description really. Visibility, we want to always put unlisted until we decide to upload it. And then tags, it'll depend on the type of video. So for now, I'll leave it blank as well. The only thing I would say for description, and let's ask ChatGPT. Can you write a general description that we can add with each video we upload? Okay. We're not going to create a playlist yet, so we'll just add this. So we'll have a section where we'll talk about the channel, like the specific topic. Then underneath that, I'm just going to put copy and paste this part where it says, welcome to Velvet Ambiance, your calming destination for peaceful music, soothing sounds. Whether you're studying, sleeping, working, meditating, or helping your pets relax, our videos are designed to create blah blah blah. Then it has all that stuff. Support the channel. We're gonna put unlisted. Okay, and then permissions. That's just me. Community moderation. We want comments on. We don't really need to worry about anything here. I think that's fine. Agreements. There's nothing in here, so we'll just save everything. Okay, so our channel now is pretty much ready to go. The only thing we haven't done is add a link yet, in case we want to add something for externally. So actually, while I was doing this video and waiting for this pets ones to upload, I actually made another video and I already uploaded it. I put it on unlisted because I haven't really done anything with it. It's just to save time to show you how to kind of do this here, okay? So what I actually did was, I did the same thing, but what I did was I took waterfalls. I took videos of waterfalls from Canva. I added some music, like ambient music to it, and now I'm going to try to make a thumbnail for that, okay? So what I'm going to do first is we did all this, we saved everything for the settings. Now I'm going to go to the YouTube studio here, and I'll show you the video I already uploaded. I uploaded the waterfalls one, but I didn't touch it yet, so I wanted to show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to ask the same thing that I did for pets. I'm going to say I made a video with relaxing music that is ambient for waterfalls. Can you please give me a title, a description, tags separated by commas, and make it sound perfect for anyone looking to relax. We're gonna go with ambient waterfall inspired music, relaxing background music for sleep, focus and calm. We're gonna copy that. We're going to put it here in the title. Okay, then we're going to use the same thing. We're going to use the description. Immerse yourself in tranquil energy, this beautiful blah blah blah, ideal for da 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 da. Ooh. Copy. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, immerse yourself in the tranquil energy of waterfalls by ambient music. This peaceful sound is designed to help you relax, sleep deeply, focus better, or simply enjoy a calm moment during the day. With soft flowing melodies and soothing tones, it's the perfect background for studying, meditating, or winding down. Okay, ideal for sleep, da 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 da. Subscribe to that for more. Okay, and here we're just gonna upload the thumbnail, which is the thumbnails for waterfalls we just did. Okay, we don't have any playlists yet, so leave it the way it is. It's not made for kids. Does it contain paid promotion? No. Do any of the following describe? Now, makes a real person? No. Alters footage? No. Generates the scene? No. So none of that. Here's where you're gonna put the tags for the music from here. There, command copy. Okay, we don't have to worry about languages, it's just music. Category, already put music on, so we're gonna save. Okay. And the only thing else we have to do is we have it in 4K, we have waterfalls. It's unlisted right now. There's no end screen. There's no cards right now. So yeah, that's already done. So our first video, if we go back to our channel content, now you can see we have our first video. It's unlisted, and we watched it, so that's fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for this one to be done. Once it's done, I'm gonna do the same thing. So there we go, we've set up our YouTube channel, we customized it to what we want. We uploaded one video, we have another one coming, it's an unlisted. I've showed you kind of how to create using ChatGPT, the description, the tags, the SEO friendly title and description. So now we have two videos. The special trick I was mentioning was about two videos. The reason I uploaded one video and kept it as unlisted rather than uploading it right away is because I wanted to have the second video, the pet one, ready to go as well. So I have the thumbnail for that, and I'm going to set up that second video. Once I have everything set up for both videos, I'm going to release them at the same time. And this is the trick that I was talking about. The reason why I wanted to mention this is because if you are a new channel and you upload one video and people watch it, that's great. People might stumble upon it, they might enjoy it, and then they'll move on, right? They'll see that if they go to your channel, there'll be nothing else for them to watch, and then it'll be like a one-off, which is okay, it's a view, but YouTube will kind of think that, oh, they just finished watching and they moved on. If you have two videos, the chances are they might actually click on both. If they liked your first video, or if they see that there's another video and they want to see what that's like, they'll click on your second video, which means YouTube their algorithm will think that they'll watch 2 of your videos instead of 1, which means you have something more to offer. That means that person who clicked on both of your videos will most likely to YouTube seem like they're a fan of yours. They're somebody that enjoys your videos, which means automatically, even if they don't subscribe to you, the next time you upload a video, most likely it'll go into their feed. And what it's gonna do is YouTube's gonna see that those kind of people that clicked on the first and second video are probably the people that want to click on your channel. So they're gonna start sending or pushing out your video to those kind of people. And if those kind of people who clicked on your channel to begin with like it, they'll click on your videos, and if they see more than 1, once again 2, and it'll start expanding. And the more videos you have, the faster it'll grow. So I definitely recommend when you do this for your own channel, make 2 videos, keep them unlisted. When they're ready to go, upload them at the same time. Anyway, that's it for this 3rd video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my last video where I'm going to be showing you the progress. I'm going to have like maybe 4 or 5 videos up by then, and we're going to see how many subscribers I got, how many views I got, how my videos are doing. Okay? So see you in the 4th video. Take care and see you next time. Peace.